Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the phone review app in order to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The phone review app offers a free reverse phone lookup functionalities, letting you enter a number to see a name or location without needing a paid subscription. Many users say it's easy to use and helpful for spotting spams or unknown callers. On the downside, accuracy isn't guaranteed. Names often don't appear, especially for newer or prepaid number, and the app is supported by frequent ads, which sometimes find it intrusive. Also, the legitimacy of the app can be rated low. And in my opinion, if you need a occasional help identifying unknown numbers and don't mind ads and imperfect results, phone review is worth using or worth trying. But if you require a high accuracy, strong privacy protection, or deals with a critical task, you may want to consider a more established premium alternative to the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.